Alagang Avli Biocare is brought to you by Avli Biocare.
Magandang umaga mga ka-Agri TV. Ito po si Doc J ng Vets in Practice para sa Alagang Avli Biocare. Ngayong araw ay pag-uusapan natin ang obesity in dogs and cats. Pag-usapan natin ang isang serious at di masyadong napapansing problema sa ating mga alaga. Ito ay ang obesity. Ano ba ito? Bakit ito mahalaga? Paano natin ito masusolusyonan? Obesity in dogs and cats is defined as more than 30% above their ideal body weight. Kami mga veterinarians, we have a tool called the Body Condition Score or BCS. Typically, it measures 1 to 9 scale to assess how much body fat an animal. Madali naman malaman kung ang inyong alaga ay obese or overweight. So, dapat yung kanilang ribs nararamdaman nyo, napipil nyo, pero hindi nyo dapat nakikita. Yung kanila na mga waist, dapat from the top ay inyong nakikita rin. Ano? May korte dapat yung waist nila. And sa side view, yung kanilang abdomen dapat naka-tuck up, ano? Hindi nakalaylay. Gaano ba ka-common ang obesity sa ating mga alaga? Well, sad to say, it is very common na hindi masyadong napapansin dahil maraming pet owner ina-underestimate ang problema sa katabaan ng kanilang alaga. Many owners don't realize their pet has gained too much weight dahil ang pagbabago sa kanilang katawan ay dahan-dahan. At ang pagiging chubby sa kanilang paningin ay normal at napaka-cute. Ano ba yung mga factors bakit sila nagiging obese? Number 1, yung overfeeding. Too many calories. Too many treats, ano? Imagine sa isang bahay, kung meron 10 tao ron, napakaraming 10 yung nagbibigay ng treats sa kanila. Ito yung nagpapataba sa kanila karaniwan. Yung age nila, it's also another factor. Kasi pag tumatanda na ang alaga natin, bumabagal ang kanilang metabolism at nagiging less active sila. Yung pag-spay at kapon, this is also a known risk factor since hormonal changes can reduce metabolic rate. Well, obesity is a problem, no? Kasi it can cause shorter lifespan. Obese pets tend to live less. Studies show that life expectancy is a major concern for pet owners when thinking about weight loss. It's also a serious health risk, ano? Gaya ng mga diabetes, no? Joint disease, arthritis, or even cardiorespiratory issues. Or mga endocrine disorder gaya ng Cushing's and hypothyroidism. And even cancer. So naapektuhan na lang kanilang quality of life. Yung extra weight can reduce their mobility. So imagine you have small leg tapos ang laki-laki ng katawan mo. Ang bigat-bigat ng dala-dala mo. It also give you a hard time to breathe. And generally, it's gonna affect your well-being, especially in senior pets. How do we manage and prevent obesity? So, the good news is that obesity is treatable and preventable. Gaya ng diet changes, no? We need to measure yung portion na kanilang kinakain, ideal doon sa kanilang body weight, ano? Hindi doon kung ano yung weight na meron sila ngayon. Kasi overweight na, so we need to have a target weight kung ano yung normal. At we need to use prescription weight loss diet na mga nire-recommend ng ating mga veterinarian. And we need to limit or eliminate yung mga treats, lalo na yung mga matataas na calorie. So if we cannot avoid talaga yung treats, you need to choose yung low calorie na mga treats. Kailangan din natin iwasan yung mga table food para maging balanse yung kanilang kinakain. Obesity in dogs and cats is more than just cosmetic. It's a disease that shortens life, decreases quality of life, and leads to serious health problems. But the good news is, it's treatable and preventable. Maintaining a healthy weight doesn't just add years to your pet's life, it adds life to their years. Magkita-kita po ulit tayo next week dito sa Alagang Avli Biocare. Ito po muli si Doc J ng Vets in Practice para sa Alagang Avli Biocare. Basta Alagang Avli Biocare, alagang may kalidad yan.
Alagang Avli Biocare was brought to you by Avli Biocare.